I am getting ready for a workout and I got my brand new shirt here. This thing's super cool. It says me versus me on the back. You can kind of take a look at it. So great reminder about what I'm doing when I'm working out, that it's not about anybody else, that it's about me. Really comfortable shirt, especially for lifting. I like that the sleeves don't go super long over my elbows, and there's a lot of flexibility with this. So I'm very excited to use this, and I've got my rollout routine. Do some tote.